Future is here when it comes to products that can control your home's lights, locks, and appliances from an app on your smartphone or tablet. Consumer watchdog Jen Strathman with what Consumer Reports says you can pick and what you should skip.
From his iPad, Daniel Hung can control his lights, TV, stereo, even his window shades.
It's so convenient, and you don't have to think back and say, oh, did I shut this light off?
Consumer Reports has been testing Wi-Fi connected devices, including lighting systems, electronic door locks, smart thermostats, generators, and smart ranges and wall ovens.
What really gets your attention with these products is their cool features. So we're testing those features. We also want to make sure it works at its basic function.
That was a problem with the electronic door locks. Yes, you can use your smartphone or tablet to lock and unlock your doors remotely, but none stood up to all of Consumer Reports' break-in tests. Far stronger, this old-school Medeco Maxim deadbolt lock. As for Nest Learning Thermostat, it has plenty of innovative features, but it costs $250, and it's harder to set up than others. With this $170 Venstar Color Touch series, setup is a breeze. As for lighting systems, the $200 Hue system from Philips lets you dim and even change the color of its bulbs. For far less, the $50 Connected by TCP is easier to set up. It doesn't change colors, but you can dim the bulbs from your cell phone. So should you be considering a connected home? An elaborate system like Daniel's costs $25,000.
It's fun to watch, but I'm not sure that it's really actually that one-touch control is really there yet for the average person.
Consumer Reports says sometimes the extra money is worth it. For example, with the Venstar Color Touch thermostat, you can easily add a Wi-Fi connection key for about $65. And with some Generac generators, you can add a mobile link that notifies you if your generator stops working, and it automatically calls for repairs. You can get more information on these connected homes at WPTV.com/watchdog. I'm Consumer Watchdog Jen Strathman, fighting for you.